So if you have to order a new headband and you have to get it back onto your headphones after you swap it, you'll notice on the headbands themselves, you have these little indentions on either side. In order to put it on, all you have to do is I tend to start from one side of the headband. I put it on the headphone in one of those divots, and then I slide it down. Go to the other side, again, start in the divot number one, and slide it down. And I always tend to use this one in the bigger side. In order to change those, if they do pop out, or rather you have to change the headband when you first get it, you can take a tool, hop in here and just kind of twist. It'll pop off that headband for you. Other than that, again, try to get my hand not in the way. There you go. Have a wonderful day.
If you have any questions about equipment cleaning and maintenance, contact your local E3 Diagnostics expert.